Hello! So I recently did a Colourpop and the Grinch collection review, and I got a comment from a subscriber that I'd missed out the glosses. I didn't do the glosses because there was so much else in the collection. Now I'm going to quickly do a review of the glosses, and there are 3 of them. One of them is this lovely red, that's called the Mean one, and that's what I've got on my lips right now. Then there's a pinky one, called Sweet Little Tot. I'm going to try that in a minute. And then this one, the beige nudie one, is called Fake Reindeer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use each of them on their own, and then I'm going to use some lip liners, a couple of which are actually in the Grinch collection, and show you how you can get sort of 6 different looks out of 3 glosses. So let's get started. This is the red one. It's very comfortable, very balmy, and actually, unlike a lot of other glosses, it's actually got a pigment to it. This is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just really impressed with the Colourpop products. So these are the pencils that I'm going to use. These two are Colourpop ones, and that one is an elf one, and this one is Catrice. So they're all affordable. With the red one, I'm going to do what I normally do, and this is the elf red receipt liner. I haven't been particularly careful about how I apply it. And with just a little bit of the Mean one, there's another look, and it's really nice and red. I'm now going to go on to this one, Fake Reindeer. They don't smell. So this is not necessarily my colour. It's quite cool, whereas the Mean one's actually a much more warmer tone. This isn't really one for me because of the colour, it's too cool toned, but it's good to just throw on before you want to run to the supermarket and get your groceries. So to warm up Fake Reindeer on my skin tone, this is a plumping lip liner from the Colourpop collection, and it's in Santa Claus hat. Now this one smells minty chocolate. So nice. This came with the lip sets. There's actually another balm rather than a gloss that this is part of, but I just thought I'd just try.
Let's get started.
And if you sort of blend it so there's no harsh edges, you see you get a much stronger look, which is cool. My last one is this Sweet Little Tot, and it's baby pink, and I'm going to try and find a pink liner. I think I'm going to use this one. It's Big Bow or Big Bow. Bow as in ribbon or bow as in curtsy. I have no idea, but I'm going to put that one on, but I need to take this off first. So that is Big Bow. I'm going to call it Bow because it's Christmas. That's that. There's pink, which is really lovely. Look at that. So that's a cool one. I've got one more left. That's really lovely. And that is the pink gloss. Extra added bonus, I'm going to try and bring out more of the pink in this. I've got this Maybelline Colour Sensational lip liner in a Palest pink, so that is a definite pink. So I've added quite a lot of this on my lip because I want to use the pigment to see if it'll bring out the pink pigment in this to make it a slightly different colour. Again, a bit too cool tone for me, but there you go. Completely different look with Big Bow. And yeah, there you go. So that's 7 different looks with 3 lip glosses and a couple of pencils, which you may probably have at home. I've used the Catrice, I've used the Colourpop and the Maybelline, but you can use practically anything. In terms of what do these feel like, they are really comfortable to wear. They don't stick, they don't slip, they don't slide, you know, or you can always just take this with you and top up if you need to. So yeah, done it. 3 lip glosses and 7 looks.